Hey friends, today we'll learn how to change LinkedIn forgot password. For that, first of all, open LinkedIn. Click on profile icon in the upper corner. Click on settings. Click on sign in and security. Click on change password. Click on forgot password. Click on reset password. LinkedIn sent a 6-digit code on your Gmail. Simply add on. Click on submit. Enter a new password and then retype your new password. Then click on submit. When you click on submit, you successfully change your password. If you like our video, please subscribe.